Hello, welcome to our channel. I am P. Nagaraj. I having experience of 32 years in electrical field and 25 years of industrial electrical product and commercial electrical product. We deal with like Lab, Siemens, Vego, Phoenix Contact, Henschel, Managas, BCH, Jig, Delta. We are 25 years line of electrical business, learning from our customers and principal companies, all with our colleagues who are all part of our growth. We are thrilled to have you here, delve into the electrical world of industrial product. We have started with love and passion to serve you in business name the Multigreats from 2020. We are one-stop solution and service for all customer complete range. We have 25 members of team who are highly skilled and dedicated in electrical product brand to give high quality service to our customer. Yes, our customers are our boss. Through this channel, we aim to create a community of one like-minded individual who are passionate about electrical industrial product. Throughout informative video, tutorials, product reviews, and expert advice, we are committed to help you make informed decision and transfer your project to successful venture achieving greatness.